Hey, what's up you guys? You're watching Team APS, Paul here.
Alec here.
And today I was at Target and I picked up...
What's it called?
I don't know. This is the Yu-Gi-Oh! Collector's Box V2. We're gonna open this today and see what's inside. According to the cover, what are we getting here?
One SE box, special edition.
I'm assuming so.
One duelist pack, 3 foil cards, 3 rare cards, and plus 1 booster pack. One whole booster pack.
How much money on Shadow Specters? Okay. So you guys know that these typically have a
Hot garbage.
A reputation about them. You know, they're not... Yeah, so we're gonna open this. It was at Target. It was $15. So, like, maybe that's not a bad value?
I highly doubt we're gonna get $15 worth of value out of here.
I mean, like, a special edition is like $10, right?
Can we feel the box real quick? It doesn't even feel like there's $1 of packaging here.
Yeah, they really could. I mean, at least the cubes are like glass, you know?
Yeah, at least it's old plastic.
Yeah. And then those other things, those mystery power boxes we opened, they're like, they actually have Yugi and Kaiba on them.
Yeah.
This is, well, you know.
Well, let's just hop right in.
Yeah, Fairfield Company, whoever they are. A video where I don't get to plug TCG Player. Kind of makes me sad, but I'm glad they don't. They don't.
That's where the $15 comes.
Are you kidding me?
I got you, pal.
Oh my god.
Let's see.
I'm just not gonna show this knife on screen, viewers. You don't need to play with toys. So here we go. What is in here? What's
Oh,
this?
snap!
Hey, it's Cross Souls. That's like a...
Eh.
What comes in this set? I don't know.
Clearly.
Oh yeah, clear wing.
I did that. Yeah, I did that.
Okay, what else is in here? Oh, okay, here are cards. These are gonna be
Face down. Hey, that's
something of a
convenient way to
mystery.
come
I
out the
think
box.
that's all that's in here. And goodbye. All right, let's see. What do we got? What's happening in here?
Woo!
Aquarium set. Whoa, I've always wanted one. You've wanted one, haven't you, Alex?
I've got 3.
Okay, this isn't that bad.
Whoa.
Psyframe Lord Zeta's not like the worst thing that could have.
Okay.
Winwich Crystal Bell.
I didn't know that card existed.
Rocket Arrow Express. Battling Boxer. Cheat Commissioner.
Woo!
And Bujingi Crow.
Where do they find these cards?
Like, this is like really random card. So those are our
Those are our cards.
These are worth. I mean, I think we've made the $15 back already, I would say.
Oh yeah, totally.
You know,
Zeta might catch some type of a price.
So, we'll save the special edition for last. Or should we save Duelist Pack? What order? Alec, you get to decide.
Hey, let's get them packs up first.
Okay, Lord of Tachyon Galaxy. This set was
Actually,
from...
haven't opened a pack of Lord of Tachyon in a long time.
I remember this having some pretty good cards in it. Although I'm sure these are scaled.
Hey, I doubt this is gonna
I
be
mean,
one of-
no. This is a legitimate product.
Hey, this isn't TCG Player, we don't have to lie.
Memory loss. Stream, Dragon Ruler of Droplets.
It's not banned.
Abyss Scale of the Mizuchi. Mimic. Wait, what? I've never seen this before.
Mimic.
Mimic.
You know Mimic?
If your opponent controls a monster and you control a level 3 monster, you can special summon this card from your hand.
Yeah, Mimic.
That's what it does.
Mimic.
CXZ's Dark Fairy Cheer Girl.
Hey. That's when CXZs were new.
Brotherhood of the Fire Fist Wolf. Burner. Little Fairy. And Aurora.
I wish we would have got all 3 of the little dragons.
That would have been... Wow, what if we got them all in one pack? It's kind of cool that we got 2. Or did we get 3? No, we got 2.
I'll see.
Stream and Burner. That's cool. Alright. Duelist Pack Yugi.
Come on, Dark Paladin. Let's go.
Yugi.
Let's go.
To be honest, of all the Duelist Packs they could have given us, this is one of the better ones. Like, there's some cards worth something in here. Karibo, Light Force Sword, King's Knight, Hollow,
Sorcerer of Dark Magic.
Sorcerer of Dark Magic. I would have preferred some other cards, but
All right, I mean,
Marshmallow.
I'll take it. I mean, snap. Movie card.
Oh yeah, he was. We got it reprinted in here. You can do some cool effects. I don't mind it. That's not the worst thing.
I support it.
Finally.
Cross Souls. What are the promos in here?
Oh yeah, let's look in the back. Let's see what we're getting. Each Cross Souls Advanced Oh yeah, this is when they temporarily started calling them Advanced Edition instead of like...
Oh yeah. Oh,
this lasted like for two products. We get 3 booster packs of Cross Souls plus 2 of 4 super rare variants. 1 super rare version of a non-foil card and a super rare preview from the next set.
I remember those foils. Wavering and Red Eyes, whatever.
Red Eyes thing.
I remember them. I remember I get 3 of both of those.
Okay, so let's see what our promos are gonna be here. Hey, that looks like a Wavering Eyes.
And,
Wavering Eyes and a Chosen of Zephyra.
Chosen.
You know, I've actually been playing Zephyra lately, guys. You believe?
You have?
Fun. This is actually really good in its heyday. Still a good card.
Yeah, I mean, especially in the Pendulum there.
What's this do? This card gains effects depending on the number of Zephyrs in your extra deck. Oh god, that's a lot. Okay, well, I mean, these are all right.
Wait, does it even count the? Oh no.
I'm guessing it's face up,
Yeah.
right? You can probably get some good effects if
Again,
you have a
are
lot
there
of them.
any non-Pendulum Zephyrs? No.
There's the new Link one, but this couldn't have known.
Oh yeah, that's true.
All right, first pack of Cross Souls.
My soul and hope to know.
What if we got a secret in here? Like how? I mean,
That'd
wouldn't
be
it?
fun. I mean, I guess you can't scale these.
Yeah, it's probably harder. UA penalty box with Raid Raptor Sharp Lanius.
What a simpler time.
Super Heavy Samurai Big. This reminds me of back when like Super Heavy.
What was meta when this set came out?
It was like 2015. Necroz?
Yes.
Fluffle Sheep. Fusion Conscription. Oh no.
Oh, no Hella.
Hey, remember when we used to use this in like Dark Magician before we
It was just Dark Paladin Turbo.
using this instead of Summoner's Art or something? Oh, did I go through the rest? Magma Dragon, Primitive Butterfly, Giga Gloves, Edge Jump, Fright Floyd.
This is before we even knew about Fight for Patchwork, and we still don't have it.
Yeah, it was still a twinkle in our eye. It still hasn't quite arrived yet. Cross Souls pack number 2.
What we got? Hey,
Yosenju Kadam.
I remember playing Yosenju.
Perform Power Lizard Draw. Hey, it's your
I play
play.
it all the time.
Perform Power
I
Recasting.
remember playing that as well.
Fiend Grieving, a card that's actually decent in Burning Abyss. Yosenju Oyam.
This is taking me all the way back.
Primitive Butterfly, Perform Power Pinch Helper, Biss Stung Ray, and Doom Dog Octhrith.
Was he that new? I thought he was an old card.
If it's sent from the field to the grave, add a level 8 Fiend type monster from your deck turn. This would have worked well with the Layer Darkness Structure deck we opened the other day.
I know in Duel Links, it's a great way to get Dark Necrofear.
Oh, he's in Duel Links?
Yep.
That's cool. Final pack of Cross Souls.
Come on, Clearwing.
Come on, any hollow at all.
Daddy.
I will take a super at this point. Remind me never to buy these again. Pendulum Rising.
Okay.
Dustbot 04. Infernoid Siete. Fiend Griefing. Star Knights of Fraxaton. Oh my god. Fright for Factory.
Patchwork Factory, okay.
Spring Noose. Oh.
Spring Goose.
Okay.
Goose Paul, jeez.
Octhros.
You're gonna get us kicked off YouTube.
Yeah, like violent acts in our videos or whatever.
Well,
Well,
one of like Logan Paul or something. Popular, I mean.
hopefully that.
He's still here, so.
This can go in my Zephyr deck instead of the ugly super rare reprint. Well, that was fun and eventful, wouldn't you say?
Hey, we saw a lot of good things here, man. Like,
Yeah.
I mean, let's do a recap of all
Oh
the good
yeah,
things.
a lot. Okay.
A lot of good things, not the bad things.
You know, Karibo.
Woo!
Those are the bad things. No, okay, so we did get Wavering Eyes, which is like okay. Zeta.
I guess it's okay.
Who doesn't love a Zeta instead of an Omega? And Sorcerer of Dark Magic.
Hey,
So like, you know,
it's not so bad. It's not so
you'd buy this, huh?
Look, guys, we're buying this so you don't have to.
Yes, take it from us. Don't buy these things. I mean, they'll always like repackage this type of stuff every, every few months.
Just
Some
what's
random company.
left over.
Don't expect to get anything good. If you ever do, I mean, awesome, cool. But yeah, don't take the bait. Anyway, that was the video. Hope you guys liked it. Let us know if you do want to see us do more like random pack openings.
Because we will.
We have a Target near us and a Toys R Us going out of business.
It's already gone, I thought.
They were outside actually when I was at the Target today, and like the people were like holding signs saying like clearance sale.
Please buy it.
Like, I was like, please come in and buy. Like they were outside like. Anyway, so yeah, that's the video. Hope you guys liked it. Give it a thumbs up if you did. Subscribe. Also, be sure to hit the notification bell.
Join the school.
And it's important that you do because some people have been telling me they haven't been getting notifications when we upload new videos.
Yeah, really something sounds fishy about that.
So yeah, make sure that
squad,
you do
right?
that. Yeah, that'd be great. All right, it's gonna be it for the video. Hope you guys enjoyed it. We'll see ya in the next one.
Pass turn.